Divya Monica, principal of Gautam Model School, Hastinapuram. At our school, we don't just teach but transform young minds for a successful future. Our school is located in the heart of Hastinapuram. Our institution has been delivering a successful education since 2012. It is recognized by State Board and we ensure our quality education not only through books but also some learning approaches. We create the environment safe and confidence for our children to build more confidence and ensure the safety parameters of our kids. And we nurture creativity, communication and confidence from the very beginning. When coming to primary standards, our integrated curriculum goes beyond the textbook with abacus and other activities like karate and dance. We ensure your child would develop both academically and physically. In high school, we focus on results and competitive readiness with Vedic Math Academics and IIT Foundation programs. We believe that success is not an accident, it is a system. We maintain a higher standard of education starting from quality of recruitment of teachers and also familiar and frequent inspections from the central office. We believe learning goes beyond classroom. We engage the students in activities like cultural fests and also picnics and educational trips. We shape confident and well-rounded individuals. Your child deserves the best to start the life. Choose Gautam Model School where learning meets excellence. Visit us today and be a part of our success learning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Swati, pre-primary in charge. It takes big heart to shape little minds. I'm very proud to be a part of Gautam Model School, Hastinapuram. My philosophy is to make the children learn when they are free, happy, safe and curious. In classroom, there will be a storytelling, hands-on activities, dancing to the music. Focus on building both academic skills like recognizing numbers and letters and social emotional such as sharing and caring. As per National Educational Policy, coming to the age criteria, the nursery's age criteria is 3 to 4 years. Coming to the school timings, 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. And coming to the LKG, age criteria is 4 years to 5 years, and coming to the school timings 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. and coming to the UKG, the age criteria is 5 years to 6 years and the school timings are 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Let's know about circle time. Circle time, it helps the children to improve their communication skills and their confidence. And coming to the rhyme time helps the children to ability to hear and manipulate sounds in words. Free talk, it is an unstructured conversation session where learners communicate, where learners discuss about open-ended topics, hobbies and to build their confidence levels. Coming to the activities, we have fine motor and gross motor activities. Finally, we have the inspections from the central office. I'm looking forward to a year full of fun, growth and wonderful memories with you all. Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. I am G. Ramchandra, working as a physics teacher at GMS Hastinapuram branch. I am in charge of that GIIT program, which is conducting from the GMS management according to that parents' wishes. That children from 6th to 9th classes, we are conducting IIT programs. The children are learning very well, and I am appealing to join your kids in our GMS Hastinapuram branch and make them as a bright future citizens of India. Thank you very much.
Hello all, I am Pallavi, working as a high school in charge at Gautam Model School, Hastinapuram. As a high school in charge, I like to share few words about our high school. Our day start with a special handwriting program from 9 to 9:15 a.m. And also we introduced a special study hour program for slow learners in which we pay individual attention. For class 10, we have a specially designed IC program. As a IC in charge, I like to share few words about IC program. Our IC program is a 72 days program for best result. Students will attend from morning 7:30 a.m. to evening 5:30 p.m. with one subject taught in depth. We conduct daily 4 exams, 2 for subjective and 2 for objective, to ensure the best result. We are proud to say that in the academic year 23-24, our students achieved 2 10/10 GPA. And also in the academic year 24-25, we reached the highest score 580. Let us move forward together with confidence and determination to maintain the success. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Murli Krishna. I am working as computer faculty here. I am very excited to showcase my computer lab and I am very proud to be a part of our GMS family. This is our computer lab and here students engage in modern technology and advanced computer education here. Here students can learn and they can rectify their mistakes technically. We don't teach as theoretically also, we can do them practically and here students get a hands-on experience on them. So students can get a knowledge on how they are working with computers and how they operate computers. So basically from primary section to high school section, they can teach and they can learn to others and friends and they can show them all the things around our computer. So from primary section they have some fundamentals, basic fundamentals. From higher section they have advanced topics to cover here and they can also learn through computers. So computers doesn't show an strength and they doesn't get our knowledge. They can also get an extra knowledge how problem solving skills also. Computers is a crucial role in a school. It doesn't provide core subjects. It shows an interest, enthusiasm in the student and it provides an energetic levels in the schools. And as well as today's digital technology, we know how AI is driven into our worlds. So students can learn in school itself only. At the beginning stage only they can evaluate their knowledge in AI driven tools and we have beautiful tools in our school. GMS provides us all those facilities in our school. Here is a powerful tool. This is an AI driven and also an all inbuilt PC. We can also call this a smart board or as well as a census board. So this is a powerful tool where students can engage their knowledge in classes itself. This is not an simple tool. It can give the students an energy and enthusiasm to participate in and attend the classes and not as a class board and a chalk piece and a duster in the classroom. This helps us to students in a responsive mode and as well as they can see responsively and attract the movie type lessons and conceptual understanding here, and this we can rectify in a proper guidance to their mistakes also. This is our standards where GMS provides this type of facilities. So please join your students to enhance their skills and for their bright future here.
Pravina, working as a Abacus and Vedic Maths teacher in Gautam Model School, Hasinapuram. Now I am explaining about Abacus. First of all, this is my Abacus teaching kit and this is student learning kit and this is a rectangular frame. These are sliding bits and here in this rectangular frame, horizontal bar divides this frame into two parts, upper deck and a lower deck. Here upper beats represent each unit as 5 and lower beats represent one beat as 1. So we can calculate with the help of this frame. So this Abacus kit reduces rough work and this will helps to do the calculations mentally without rough work and hands counting. Next develops concentration and improves confidence in the child. So this will help makes mathematics calculation very easier in a simplest manner. We tie up with Vishwam EduTech. They gives us training and inspect the students how they are learning. They provide materials and certificates to us. Thank you.
హాయ్ హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, ఐఎమ్ నరేష్, పీటీ గౌతమ్ మోడల్ స్కూల్ హస్తినాపురం బ్రాంచ్. చాలా మంది అనుకుంటారు పీటీ పీరియడ్ అంటే కేవలం ఆడుకోవడానికి మాత్రమే. అది నిజం చెప్పాలంటే పిల్లలకు లైఫ్ చేంజ్ చేసే పీరియడ్. మా స్కూల్లో కబడ్డీ, ఖోఖో, వాలీబాల్, బాస్కెట్ బాల్, క్యారమ్, చెస్, షటిల్స్ ఆడిస్తాం. స్టడీతో పాటు గేమ్స్ కూడా చాలా ముఖ్యమని మా మేనేజ్మెంట్ నమ్ముతుంది. మీ పిల్లల్ని గౌతమ్ మోడల్ స్కూల్లో చేర్పించండి. మీ పిల్లల్ని ఫిట్ గా ఫైటర్ గా తయారు చేస్తాను.
I am Harshita, working in Gautam Model School as spoken English teacher. Communication skills are very important in our daily life. Today, in our society, without English, they couldn't survive. So, communications will develop us in our daily lives to speak English and to encourage our students to build a courage in our daily lives. So, what are the advantages of communication skills are to teach them a good courage and efforts and a confidence to speak boldly in English. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bhavya, working as a front office executive in Gautam Model School at Hastinapuram branch. And we maintain computerized accounts and accepts payment like a credit card, debit card and UPI and even cash also. And we issues computerized printed bills for every payment. And we maintain first aid kit and suggestion box also. And you can get back through us call center and GMS website. Thank you.
East or West, GMS is the best. South or North, we have work.